Hello everyone. After a long time, I'm here. So, आज के actually छुट्टी नहीं है जी आज के कल के. So we came driving across in a little corner of Luxembourg. You see a lot of flags here, right? All the European flags, like Italy, Portugal, every European flag except GB, Great Britain. The reason is people in India, all of us, we have heard something called Schengen visa, right? Schengen visa is what? It allows you to travel across like 26 or 28 odd countries in the Europe. This is the point. This is the Schengen point, where this treaty was signed among all the Schengen European or EU member countries. So this is the museum. Musea Europea de Schengen. Best part of this, if you search in the map, you will see this point is actually the junction of Luxembourg, Germany and France. So here we are standing in Luxembourg. Just let me put it off. This land is Germany, and you see a dam. The other side of this dam is France. So this road takes you to France in 2 minutes walking. This road on the right takes you to Germany. It'll take, like to cross the river, it'll take 5 minutes. And this is Luxembourg. So this is a historical place. Up until 2 months back, we had the Great Britain flag here as well. It is nowhere to be seen now. So we have all the flags. So this is where the treaty was signed. And that is why we all get the visa, which is called Schengen visa. So this is the point, Schengen, the point where the treaty was signed among all the European countries. Okay, bye-bye. See you all again. Let us enjoy first. So we just got a couple of bags from Mac Drive, and we are going to have it here. So Sujita already found a good place to sit. So she found a bench already. So we are going to have our lunch here. Bye-bye. See you all later.